Good day, my name is Walter Mendoza. I work for SaleOnline.com. I will present you e-document platform. E-document is an e-commerce platform for Document Ltd. We have identified the following requirements: client control, user control, product control, sales control, and payment system. Each requirement has your own equivalent in the modules of the solution. Our proposal is divided by modules. You can see in this diagram all modules of the solution. The user management has all information of the users. The customer can be registered by self through the web page. The sales users can be registered by the administrator module. The administrator module can aggregate new administrator users and new sales users. The administrator module can register new products, and the administrator users can see the reports of the report module. The users communicate with the product management for required new products, and they communicate with the payment systems for the authorization of the bank. It is the general idea about the modules, and now we have the deployment diagram. This diagram represents how the application will be distributed in the different servers. We propose a server for database, and a server for the API RESTful services, and a server for the website. All servers is hosted by Amazon Web Services. This server is available through the internet. The user can be connected with our services through the internet. And this is the general idea of the platform. If you want more details, you can see the proposal document, and if you want to know about the cost, you can see the quotation document. About use, SaleOnline.com is a developed software company. This company was founded in 2012 by Walter Mendoza and Andrea Jimenez. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.